Polar blue parrot are not found in wild. They are man-made hybrids. It's widely believed that they were first bred in Taiwan, Asia. And due to easy breeding, today they are found in all corners of the world. Unfortunately, there is no one conscious about what fish were initially used for breeding them. The most common answer on the internet was that these fish are a cross between convicts and blood parrots. Another popular theory is that they are a cross between Honduran and red points and convicts. This seemed a bit more convicting to me. That's because female polar blue parrot have a massive egg tube just like red points. But as I said, we don't know yet. Unfortunately, there is a lot of misinformation on the internet on this subject. On site even claim that they are a cross between black convicts and King Kong parrots. Polar blue parrot can live anywhere between 5 to 8 years. My polar blue are around 4 years old now and they are still going strong. So I think they have at least 2 years of life left. They have small mouths and their noise almost looks like a parrot's break. These fish don't get too big. They will clock in somewhere between 3 to 4 inches. The body, excluding the tail, is just around 2 inches long. Once again, on many sites, it mentioned that these fish grow around 8 to 10 inches long, but this is lie. That is just blood parrots information they copied and pasted. My fish were about an inch long when I first got them. They grow around 3.5 inches. Male polar blue parrot are usually a tad bit bigger than their female partners. On the other hand, females have roundish bodies with shorter, rounder fins. In addition, their bellies develop a distinct pink-orange color during the breeding season. Polar blue parrot are not really community fish. Polar blue parrot require a 30-gallon aquarium and a temperature range of 76 degree Fahrenheit to 82 degree Fahrenheit to survive. They need to be fed food that are easily digestible. As the body of polar blue parrot is compact, they cannot digest heavy food as they cannot gulp them up easily. So, it's better if you feed them with easy digestible food. It will help them to digest the food easily. Also, it would keep them healthy. Also, it is very important to keep in mind not to overfeed them. It can hamper their digestive system. These fish can withstand a pH level of around 6.4 to 7.5. However, you can keep the water pH level at 7.0, which is natural and easily achieved. The polar blue parrot have a tender body structure, so they prefer to live in soft water.